How to make a Spotify playlist. Hey everyone, welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll show you how you can make a new Spotify playlist. So the first thing you want to do is simply open the Spotify application on your mobile device and then make sure you are logged into your Spotify account. Now once you're logged in, your homepage will look somewhat like this, where in order to make a new Spotify playlist, all you have to do is simply tap on the Your Library option, which is on the bottom side of the screen. After that, you'll be taken to this page where on the top right corner of your screen you can see the little plus icon. Simply tap on it. After that, it'll provide you basically two options. You can either create a playlist or you can create a blend. So since we are here to create a playlist, we'll tap on the option playlist, and now it'll ask you to enter the name for your new playlist. For now, I'll simply skip this process and then leave the playlist unnamed. Now that is basically how you create a playlist. Now in order to add songs to your playlist, all you have to do is simply tap on the option add to this playlist, and then it'll provide you a bunch of different songs which you can add to your playlist. So in order to do that, all you have to do is tap on the plus icon just right to the song, and the same for all of the different songs. And now if you back out, you can see that these are all of the songs that have been added to my playlist. So that is it for this video. Hope this video was helpful to you guys, and if it was, make sure you like this video and subscribe to our channel so that you don't miss out on further videos such as these.